Morning brewers, Gary from VOC Home Brewery here again. Just about to start brewing. It's a bank holiday Monday morning, just after 6:30 in the morning. Today we are brewing a apricot Weissbier. Sorry, shitty can work again. There's the grains in there. It's basically pale wheat malt and pilsner malt, and they're not going in today. That's the apricot puree that goes in the fermenter after it's finished fermenting. So just got them there for show. Just about to start mashing in, and I'll stop waffling. I shall try start mashing in. Try and take some. There we go. Just having a few scoops of grain. Get the salts in as well. The recipe, if anyone who's watching wants it, is going to be linked. in the description below, so you can help yourself. Cheers. Hi brewers, back again. We are about it's an 80 minute mash in, temperature, whatever it's called, and a 10-minute mash out on this one, so 90 minutes in all. Started not too long ago, 15 minutes ago. This is the scene in the kettle. Probably a good 2.5–3 inches difference between in the heights, to be honest. Level in the malt pipe there and the kettle. You can see it's going to whizzing around there quite nicely. That's the colour of the malt as we speak. I'll take a little bit of that shortly to measure the pH, make sure we're okay with that. So yeah, everything's super smooth as usual with this beast. You see my new Brewtools tray underneath there. Yeah, there's the levers. That's how I have them during the mash phase. This is the lever on the left side. You can see it's kind of, I don't know, 22–23 minutes past the hour kind of position, somewhere around there. You can see it's the pump was on 70, just over 70%. The levels were just kind of, they kept creeping up a little bit, so I've just eased the pump back to 55, and I moved that lever up to about, instead of being 25 past, it was like 22–23 minutes past. So you can see the flow through of wort there, and it seems to be stabilised, not going up any now, so I'll leave it as it is for the time being. Okay folks, cheers. Hey brewers, back again for a quick update. There's 15 minutes of this mash step left, just under 25 minutes in all. You can see a slight difference there. That band, that's like the high tide mark basically. I had it on a bit high, and there was probably 4 inches difference in the levels in the kettle and malt pipe, so I basically eased it back a bit. See, it's 47%, was 71 I think, and I adjusted the side lever a touch, a bit nearer the 20 past position to stop the flow. Everything, you know, is equalised a little bit. It's probably 2.5–3 inches difference. Very hard to judge really. But it's, you know, it was just creeping up, now it's not, so quite happy with that. So yeah, we're cracking on, everything's going well, and I will get back to you shortly. It's back again, just cooling the wort down, and look, 5–6 minutes it'll be about right, I hope. That's what I get, about 27 litres in the kettle. Boiled off just over 4. Quite happy with that, so it should be. That's the clean up water, a bit going into the sink there, but I've only just literally done that. So yeah, it's all gone swimmingly today. A couple of very minor things, nothing worth mentioning really. So yeah, I'll do a wrap up vid when I get it in the fermenter. Just wrapping up now. There's the scene in the kettle, bit of carnage, but yeah, very good brew day really. A couple of minor little niggles, but bugger all, my own fault. 24 litres in the fermenter again. Pitched the yeast before, whatever reason, not much aeration with this one. Other brews have been well bubbly, but there we are. Might give it a stir. The old paddle there in a sec. There we are. Thanks for watching. If you watched to the end, thanks very much. If you want to like, subscribe, that's fine. If not, that's fine as well. Alright, take care everyone. Stay safe. See you on the next one. Cheers.